So in networks model, before the data is ready to be transmitted over network channel, it is important to provide the data with the address information about the source and the destination for the routing process. This task is handled by the network link of the OSI model. Hi everyone, I am Vaibhav Khandelwal and I welcome you all to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today, we will be discussing network layer in the OSI model. But before we begin, if you love watching the similar tech content, then try subscribing to our Simplilearn's channel and hit the bell icon so you are the first to get notified. So now, without any further ado, let us begin with the plan for today's topic. First, we will have a quick recap on the OSI model. Then, we will dive into our core topic, the network layer. Moving on, we will have a detailed understanding for the major functions of network layer. Finally, we will wrap up this session with a discussion on the responsibilities of the network layer in the OSI model. Now, the OSI model stands for Open System Interconnection Model, a specifically designed set of protocols and standards governing the data's modeling and conversion for proper transmission. The OSI model is divided into 7 layers, which perform specific functions and apply protocols to maintain data quality without any error. Now, let's move on to the core topic for this session. What is network layer? The network layer is responsible for breaking down the segment into data packets and resembling them on receiving end. This layer also ensures that the packets are transmitted over the best possible route to the destination system governed by the Internet protocols. So now, moving forward, let us look at the network's layer function. But before we begin, first let's understand the data flow between the network layer and the other layers in the OSI model. That is, to begin with the network layer, we will receive data from the transport layer of the OSI model. The network layer handles these data packets by integrating them with the sources and destination address. It also adds network protocol for the proper transmission over the network's channel. Now, let's look at the functions of the network layer. First, we have internetworking that handles the network channel as the name suggests. Then we have network addressing, followed by packet routing and packet handling. Now, let's look at some of the points regarding the functions. First up, internetworking. It is one of the main tasks of the network layer to handle the network connection between multiple devices in the channel. This task applies multiple protocols available in the network layer of the OSI model for stable network connection. Next up, network addressing. The network layer does the task of adding the source and the destination address in the header of the network channel. The network addressing is performed to identify the device where the data is being shared. Next up, packet routing. Now, the establishing a routing path for the data packets is one of the main functions of the network layer in the network model. A network layer chooses the most suitable path out of the line of the path available in the channel. Next up, packet handling. In this, the network function, the layer handles the data received from the upper layers of the OSI model. The network layer converts the received data into the packets for sharing over the communication channel. Now, let's look at the responsibilities of network layer. The network layer is responsible for handling the shortest routing path for a data packet in the network channel. It is also responsible for converting the received data into packets for transmission. This layer also handles the network layer protocol, which is responsible for maintaining the network's traffic in the channel. Now with this, we have covered all the important points related to network layer of the OSI model. If you have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.